Everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use the prospecting on HubSpot. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on the prospecting tab already. You just go to it by going into workspaces and clicking on prospecting, and this is what it looks like, or rather, this is what the feed tab looks like. You will just see the feed of all your contacts activities, which you have over here, and you can overview what they're doing, respond to them, etc., etc. Now, as you can see, these are just sample ones. You can also load older activities if you want to, and you can sort them depending on the activity type. Now, you also have these other three tabs, which are the summary, the leads, and the schedule. These are locked behind a paid subscription, so I cannot access them at the moment. But in essence, summary just is a page where you can see a summary of all your activities, your deals, your meetings, everything you might need. Pretty much all your activities in the past with analytics will be shown here, depending on how you set it up. Under leads, you will see what your status on your current leads is and how they're progressing, whether you need to change it, if you have any relevant activities with them in the current time. And that is pretty much it for that. And on the schedule, you can check your schedule for any meetings you might have with any partners, with any contacts you might already have, or with certain companies, and you can have an overview there. Now, because it is locked behind a paywall, I can't really show you, but you can use it very easily. As you can see, you just need to go to the summary tab and view your task progress and your tasks from here, as well as any meetings and schedules and sequences you might already have. And it looks something like these screenshots, as you'll see, since I can't exactly show it to you guys. And you can see any activities you have here as well. Now, you can also review your schedule, as I've mentioned previously, and you just go there and you can pretty much filter them however you want, and you can review your feed with activities, as I mentioned previously. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.